Okay, for example 2, we're going to find binomial coefficients some more, doing basically the same thing we did in example 1. But this time it's going to use a pattern that's described in the middle of page 600. And basically it says for 7C3, you're going to take, since the difference between 7 and 3 is 4, you'll go 3, well, first of all, 3 times 2 times 1, this number to the bottom, 3 factorial. Since the difference between 7 minus 3 equals 4, I know that 4 factorial is going to cancel out on top and bottom, so I'm just going to go 7 times 6 times 5. Notice that the top number does not include the difference, and the bottom number is just the last number. Now 3 times 2 is 6, and 7 times 5 divided by 1 is 35. If you don't like the pattern, that's okay. Do it the other way. Pattern for this one, 7C4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So I know that I'm going to go with 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. I'm not going to include the 3 on the top because the difference was 3. Then on the bottom I'm going to do the 4. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 is canceled. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 times 5 is 35. We're going to skip C because C says 12C1. There's C. And we know anytime this is a 1 right here, the answer is 1. Sorry, it's not 1. Excuse me. Anytime it's 0. Let's go ahead and do that. 12C1. So for this pattern, it's going to be 12 minus 1 is 11. So I'm just going to do 12 on top and on the bottom 1. And so the answer is 12. For 12C11, it's going to be 12 minus 11 is 1. So 12 times 11 factorial. On the bottom, the 11 factorial. Those cancel. And the answer is 12. Go ahead and see if you can do the pattern with number 7. If you can't, that's fine. Do it the other way. 20C15. Okay, well the pattern says 20 minus 15 is 5. So 20 times 19 times 18 times ... times 6. And on the bottom, 15 factorial is 15 times 14 times 13 times ... times 1. So essentially, this is going to go down to 17 times 16 times 15. And so those all cancel. And I'm left with 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16, which is 15,504.